Raspberry, we're gonna make a right here.
All right.
So it's like a stop sign. You stop first, check for pedestrians, then check for cars, and you take the lane closest to you.
But one thing I do like about the rules here are the right turns.
What do you like about it?
It's just that you can always go right.
Yes, it's easier, right? In Europe, when it's red, you have
gotta
to stop.
wait.
You have
You can
to
be in the middle of the night and
Right.
there's no other car, and you still gotta wait.
Right.
Yeah.
No, there are some advantages here, so it's important to know about them and how to execute it safely, because some Europeans are probably not aware of those rules.
Exactly.